Hello everyone, welcome back to Superb Together. I'm back with part 2 of articles. As you all know that we have covered part first of articles, and it was all about indefinite articles, that is a and n. And now in this video I'm going to talk about a definite article, that is the. So I'm going to cover all the points where we use the, and I'm sure that after watching this video you are not going to make any error, you are not going to make any mistake in using the articles. So let's start. Before proceeding further, let's do a recap that there are two types of articles: indefinite articles and definite article. Indefinite articles are a and definite article is the. Indefinite articles hai a or an, definite article hai the. And this is the thing that I have already talked in my previous video, so we are not going to waste much of our time in this, and let's move towards the use of definite article the. So the first point is the is used before the superlative degrees. The हम superlative degrees से पहले use करते हैं. And you know there are three degrees of an adjective, that is positive, comparative and superlative degree. So before the superlative degree we always use definite article the. For example, an airplane is the fastest means of transport. So here in this example, fastest is the superlative degree, and before it we have used definite article the. Similarly, in the next example, December is the coldest month of the year. Here coldest is the superlative degree, and that's why we use the before it. So in this way, before all the superlative degrees we have to use definite article the. The second point is we use the before the name of countries, states, etc. having a descriptive name. So the countries and states which have descriptive name, before them we have to use definite article the. For example, the USA, the UK, the Republican of China, the Punjab. So before these states and countries name we use article the, and because it is the combination of two or more words, like the United States, the United Kingdom. So that's why, because they are describing more about that country, so that's why we have to use article the before them. And you can understand easily with the name of Punjab. So Punjab is a word that is the combination of two words, pan and jab. Pan means five and jab means river. So it means the state of five rivers. So that's why we use article the before it. The third point is we use the before the name of scriptures and newspapers. So before the name of scriptures and newspapers also we have to write article the. For example, the Gita is a holy book of Hindus. Here Gita is a scripture and that's why we have to use the before it. Similarly, the Quran is a holy book of Muslims. Here Quran is a scripture and that's why we have to write the before it. And in the next example, have you ever read the Bible? Here Bible is a scripture and that's why I have written the before it. Similarly, in case of newspapers also, we have to write the before their names, like the Hindustan Times, the Hindu. The fourth point is we have to use the before the names of rivers, canals, seas, oceans, bays, gulfs, groups of islands. So before their names we have to use article the. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Suez Canal, the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So in this way we have to use the before their names. Let's see the fifth and sixth point. The is used before the names of famous buildings. like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Eiffel Tower. Similarly, the is used before the famous historical events. कोई भी अगर historical event हुई है तो उससे पहले भी हम the use करेंगे, like the revolt of 1857, the industrial revolution. So in this way we have to use the before the name of famous buildings and before the famous historical events. Let's see the seventh point. The is used before the name of nationals, communities, and sects. So when we are talking about a particular nation, or when we are representing a particular nation or community or section of a society, then at that time we have to use article the before them. For example, the Indian, the American. It means we are talking about the Indian nationals, the people who belongs to India, the thing that belongs to India. The American, the Hindus, the Muslims. It means that we are talking about the entire Hindu community, the entire Muslim community. Similarly, the rich, the poor. It means we are talking about the rich section of the society. We are talking about the poor section of a society. So that's why when they are representing the whole nation, the whole community, the whole section of a society, so at that time we have to use article the before it. Eighth point is the is used before the directions. So before all the directions like east, west, north and south, we have to write article the. One example is given here. The sun rises from the east. Here I have written the before east. Similarly, when you are writing west, north, south, then also you have to write the before it. Next thing is we have to write the before all the unique things. Unique things means the thing that is specific, that is particular, or that is one in number. So before all the unique things we have to write article the. For example, the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, etc. And before all the titles also we have to write the. For example, the Iron Lady of India, the Nightingale of India. So there are many more titles. So before all the titles we have to remember that we have to write article the. Let's see the next point. The is used when we speak of a particular person or thing we have already referred to. It means जब हम किसी ऐसे person की या ऐसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हो जिसके बारे में हम पहले बात कर चुके हैं या जिसके बारे में कोई इंसान सामने वाला इंसान पहले से जानता है, तो जब हम कोई ऐसे person या thing के बारे में बात करते हैं then we have to use the before it. For example, the video you want to watch is currently not available. It means the video means we are talking about any particular video. एक पर्टिकुलर वीडियो की बात चल रही है कि जो वीडियो आप देखना चाहते हो वो अवेलेबल नहीं है. इट मीन्स द पर्सन हु इज टॉकिंग दैट पर्सन नोज अबाउट दैट वीडियो. ठीक है, हम तभी तो ऐसा बोलते हैं जब हमें पता हो कि ये सामने वाला इंसान किस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहा है. तो जब हमें ये पहले से पता हो कि बात किस चीज के बारे में बात चल रही है, किस पर्टिकुलर थिंग के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, ऐसे केसेस में हम द यूज करेंगे. तो इसका इस सेंटेंस का मतलब है कि जो वीडियो तुम देखना चाहते हो वो अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है. सिमिलरली द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज I won't give you the watch I bought yesterday. It means I'm talking about at the particular watch that I bought yesterday. So मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ मैं वो वॉच नहीं दूंगी जो मैं कल लाई हूँ. इट मीन्स दैट वॉच विच आई बॉट yesterday. ठीक है, इट मीन्स इट द वॉच आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज द वॉच यू ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट. Okay, and next example is I don't like your friend whom I met yesterday. मैं उस दोस्त को तुम्हारी पसंद नहीं करती जिससे मैं कल मिली थी. मतलब जो चीज इस फ्रेंड के बारे में पहले बात हो चुकी है, पहले मैं इससे मिल चुकी हूँ. तो जो काम ऑलरेडी हो चुका हो, जिसके बारे में पहले से हमें जानकारी हो और उसी के बारे में हम अगेन बात कर रहे हैं, then we have to write the before it. For example, the video, the watch, the friend. Okay. The 10th point is the is used when a singular common noun represents a whole class. तो जब कोई singular common noun पूरी class को whole class को represent करता है या पूरी family को या पूरे group को represent करता है तो हम उससे पहले the use करते हैं. Here two examples are given. The first one is the fox is a cunning animal and the second example is the dog is a faithful animal. So here fox and dog are common nouns. फॉक्स और डॉग क्या है कॉमन नाउन है बट दे आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग देयर होल फैमिली okay they are representing their whole family whole class so that's why we have to write the before it and the meaning of these sentences are the fox is a cunning animal it means fox एक चतुर जानवर है मतलब जितनी भी फॉक्सेस हैं जितनी भी फॉक्स की फैमिली है वो सभी चतुर होती हैं इसी तरह सेकंड एग्जांपल है द डॉग इज अ फेथफुल एनिमल इट मींस डॉग एक वफादार जानवर है इट मींस जितने भी डॉग्स हैं वो सभी वफादार होते हैं तो यहाँ पर जो डॉग और फॉक्स हैं वो पूरी क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू राइट द बिफोर इट Let's see the 11th point. The is used before ordinal numbers. The हम ordinal number से पहले use करते हैं. And now what is ordinal number? Ordinal number is the number that is used for ranking or that is used for ordering. तो जितने भी number ordering के लिए या ranking के लिए use किए जाते हैं उन्हें हम ordinal numbers बोलते हैं. ठीक है? For example, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so when we are writing any ordinal number, then before that we have to use the. For example, the fifth, the first, the 10th, the ninth. Okay. The last point is the is used before all musical instruments. तो जितने भी musical instruments के name होते हैं हम उन्हीं सभी से पहले the use करते हैं. For example, the violin, the harmonium, the guitar. So in this way we have to remember that the is used before all the musical instruments. So it's all about definite article the. In this video, I have covered almost all the points where we have to use the. And I'm sure that after watching this video, you will not make any error in using definite articles. So this is all about today and I will be back with another video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye.